Hi everyone, Summer here with the Wispy Realm, and I got my Passion for Polymer November issue in the mail. I did cut it. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm super excited to do so. I was told that I would really like this one, so I'm excited to see what's inside. First, the cover is already stunning. It's very delicate looking. Passion for Polymer doesn't cost very much money. It's a monthly subscription. I will leave a link to the website down in the description, so be sure to check it out. It only costs like $9.99 or $10 or something like that. I get every single month. I've done previous reviews on previous Passion for Polymer magazines, which you can find up here. So please go ahead and take a look if you're interested in more. But for now, let's look what's inside. I'm guessing it's dolls. And of course, I like figurines. I love polymer clay figurines. So, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Guys, my doll right there in the front. This one's my doll. Oh my gosh. This is my doll. This is the Ace of Wands that I made for a swap with a friend. Actually, Poppy Roots. Yeah, I did a swap with her, and I created this doll for her, and I posted this picture as my submission for one of the episodes of the magazine. I'm kind of like really kind of flattered that it's right there. Oh wow. So this month is art dolls. Wow. Okay. So we have all sorts of different kinds of art dolls in this magazine. There's going to be all sorts of different kinds. Wow. Wax wings. This one talks about wax wings, fog, crackle, bird peeps. Cool. Learn to make artistic fish beads. Look at those. Aren't those interesting? Those are very interesting. And of course, we get the tutorial for it. The Polymer Clay Chef, a monthly recipe for amazing polymer projects. This one is for, I guess it's just a hot cocoa one. It's a gift card holder. There we go. That's what we got in that one. Sweet. Oh, that'll be so much fun to make, I think. The Birdwatcher cat. We get a tutorial for the Birdwatcher cat. Look at that. I don't do kitties very well, but I think I'm totally going to try the kitty and see how it goes. When you do polymer clay tutorials or tutorials of any kind, you always learn something new, right? So I love learning new techniques. Oh, that is fantastic. Voodoo smudge stick dolls. Oh my goodness. I am so trying those. That's fantastic. Wow. Okay, so the cure with Miss Ginger. Let's see. The questions are, I want to make several identical shapes with polymer clay. Can I make a mold? Yes, she answers that. Another question, I've used a push mold, but I can't remove the raw polymer cast without it distorting. What can I do? So she answers that. How do I keep polymer from sticking to a mold or texture sheet? She answers that one. And I use sticky clay without a mold release, and now my texture sheet is filled with polymer clay. How can I get it? So this one is all about molds and clay and releasing. Cool, cool. Butterfly insert fairies. Oh my gosh, guys. It's fairies. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm using these for, but I'm using them for something. And I love it, the template. Wow, I love the template. And look at what they did with the template. Isn't that awesome? Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, let's see. Sandy Huntress. Oh, her stuff's really cool. It's got a little thing about getting to know an artist, and it's got Sandy's stuff. Take a look at that. Isn't that pretty spiffy? That's fantastic. Oh, this one's the dolls. We get to learn how to make these dolls right here. It's got a whole tutorial for them, guys. Look. I'm excited. I've never made those. I don't even think I've ever owned one. I totally should try it. Ooh, there's a Frida Kahlo in the cactus field doll that we get a tutorial on. Check it out. So colorful. So colorful. I have a lot of excitement for this issue. Carmen. Oh, oh my gosh, it's a cane. Oh, holy cow, look at this cane. Look at that. that's fantastic. You get to learn how to do the canes. I'm not a big cane person. Like, I can't do canes very well, but canes are cool. Like, I am in complete awe of the people who can do canes. Seriously, if you can do a cane, you have my utmost respect because it takes a lot of patience. And this is True Love Flourishes Meet K. Oh, this is cool. It's another Meet the Artist kind of thing, and it's got all these little dolls that she's done. Aren't they so pretty? Look at those cuties. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I do love it. I do love it. Oh my gosh. And of course, my favorite part of the magazine, if you didn't know, is the inspirational gallery where everybody gets to put their art in. And oh my gosh. Oh, wow. There's so many pretty things, guys. Look. Isn't that so cool? Oh. And of course, more stuff back here. This is a thing for polymer clay. It's the PCA 2021, and you get to do tutorials with instructors for all of these different things. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty nifty. I've already taken a class with this one right here. Not this particular project, but she does really, really amazing art journals. Like she does cover art, like polymer clay cover art on the top of a journal. So if you are interested in that, be sure to check out the PCA 2021 and get on board with that. All right, this is fantastic, guys. I love the magazine, of course. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you get the magazine. If you try the tutorials, I hope you go for it and share it. There's Create Along Polymer Clay on Facebook that you can join and share stuff in and get involved too. So be sure to do that. Links will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching.